I suffered low iron for 13 years until I solved the puzzle. Now, iron is bound up in food and it needs acid to liberate it or free it from food. So most people with low iron, they're either bleeding very heavily at period time, and they also can be low in hydrochloric acid because the acid liberates the iron. So why would someone be low in hydrochloric acid? If someone's eating every couple of hours, that exhausts the digestive enzymes, so they're low in hydrochloric acid. If someone drinks with their meals, it waters down their hydrochloric acid. If someone overeats, overburdens the stomach, it exhausts hydrochloric acid. If someone's highly stressed when they're eating, that exhausts hydrochloric acid. So to boost hydrochloric acid, only eat at meal times, only drink between meals. When you sit down to dine, no stressful things should be discussed at the meal table. So how can you boost hydrochloric acid other than doing all that? Take a little bit of cayenne pepper with your meal, that'll wake anything up. Having the juice of a lemon with a little very hot water just before the meal, that can also boost hydrochloric acid. So you need to boost hydrochloric acid to have the acid to release the iron from the food. Ferritin is iron stores, and the body uses protein to bind with iron to store it as ferritin. So often people with low ferritin levels, it's because they're not eating enough protein. They may be eating enough protein, but if they haven't got enough hydrochloric acid, they can't break down the protein. So my suggestion is boost hydrochloric acid and start making sure you have lentils every day, nuts and seeds with the meal to boost the protein level.